The Forest Service Intermountain Region and Rocky Mountain Research Station Science Partner Program takes a unique approach to connecting scientists and Forest Service land managers. We pair a scientist with a manager, and these science partner groups then work to co-create land management solutions based on the best available science. Watch what we have learned about connecting these scientists directly with managers through an informal, grassroots partnership model.
We as scientists, we develop data, but we don't really know how those data will play in a management context. That's why it's so important to have the management interactions if we really want something that's going to work and is something that's going to happen and something that we can show, say, our grandkids. This is something we did.
I think it's very important to have these restoration projects to tie into the bigger picture. And we can do a lot of work, all hands, all lands, across agencies to help preserve our landscape.
We just finished up a 3-year intensive survey on mesocarnivore monitoring where we surveyed 1.9 million acres through a combination of remote cameras and snow tracking on snowmobiles and skis. At this point, we're in the process of bringing in RMRS to help with future monitoring at a larger scale.
This combination of backgrounds and knowledge has allowed us to identify both what is needed and what is possible at this time to help us understand climate and what tools we can use.
One of the benefits of having a partnership with Rocky Mountain Research Station here and research help is that a lot of Forest Service specialists might not have that expertise of knowing these unique features, groundwater dependent ecosystems, especially something as unique as a fen. So to get that analysis and input is really helpful for us.
So I feel doing things on the grassland here and making sure we do it in such a way that is shared has a wider application to restoration as a whole.
And I think one of the things that's most important about what we want for an outcome is that we use some of the information that Nate has available to help us guide kind of that art of the possible. So helping people understand what is realistic and feasible and what can move us forward to have a better forest future.
Watch our series of short videos to learn more about the Intermountain Region and Rocky Mountain Research Station Science Partner Program. You can also visit us on the web.